How to change your player name in Bleach Soul Resonance. Hi everybody, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. You're trying to change your player name in Bleach Soul Resonance but not sure where to start? Then the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Bleach Soul Resonance game on your device, and once you're inside the main home screen, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner. You'll open up your profile where you need to click on the pencil button right next to your player name, and then in the pop-up click on Edit Username. Go ahead and enter a new name in the next page. The first name change is free, so you can go ahead and write it down and click confirm. After you do that, you will see your name changed immediately. Now if you try to change your username again, you need to spend 50 in-game currency. If you are willing to spend that, you are free to change your name again. So that's it. That is how you can easily change your name in Bleach Soul Resonance. Your new name will reflect in your profile now. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.